Namaste. In this video, we are going to evaluate this integral integration x upon e to the power x square dx. So I is equal to integration x upon e to the power x square dx. Integration x. Here this is e to the power x square when we move in numerator. So it will be e to the power minus x square dx. Here we use substitution method. So let t is equal to minus x square. Now differentiate. So dt is equal to minus 2x dx. But here x dx. So left here x dx and minus 2 move left side. So minus 1 upon 2 dt. These values we can put here. So e to the power, this one t, e to the power t, and x dx value is minus 1 upon 2 dt. So we can write minus 1 upon 2 here and dt. Now we can integrate easily. Minus 1 upon 2 integration e to the power t is e to the power t plus c. C is any arbitrary constant, and now we can put t value. So t value is minus x square, right? So minus 1 upon 2 e to the power minus x square plus c. This is the answer, or if you want to write in positive power, so we can write minus 1 upon 2 e to the power x square. Write in positive power plus c. So this is the answer. Very simple question, but if you have any doubt in any step, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.